How to edit send message on Messenger. So if you want to edit the send message on Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger application. Once you've opened your Messenger, now for example, you can send a message to a group chat or to an individual. So I'll be sending something like hello. So if you have sent a message and if you want to edit that message, then what you need to do is simply tap and hold on to that message for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you will get an option to more. So go for the bottom right, which has more, and here you will have edit. Tap on edit, and from here you can simply edit the text. And once you've edited, now tap on the tick which is on the right side, and here you can see that you have edited the message. So that's it. That's how you can edit your send message on Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.